Hi there, it's George here, and in today's video I decided to show you my eucalyptus plants that I have. Again, I have eucalyptus because I grew them in 2020, but I lost them because didn't water it at the time. And I did made a video when I germinated again seeds, they germinated, and I will let the link in the description. So, but in this video I will show you how much they did grow already. And this one, as you can see here, it was grow like 50 centimeters, and it is really beautiful. But I have to report now in November, water in my room is very cold, and I don't know. But look at this, it's beautiful. The leaves more big started to grow, but doesn't grow so big like I expected, because it needs a pot larger, not like this small anyway. And in this video as well, I will have to show you another two eucalyptus plants in my bag, which are baby blue or silver dollar, and let's see them. Well, here we go. These are Eucalyptus Deglupta, around 4 eucalyptus plants I have, and these two are more big, as you can see, and they don't look very happy because it's a little bit cold in my room, and but I will see just. And I have one small eucalyptus which are doing really not very happy, but I think they will pass our winter, and we'll see. These have much small leaves like this one, as you can see here, and but this one is beautiful too, and growing branches here, awesome, and the leaves, fresh leaves. And when I touch these leaves of eucalyptus, they kind of smell they have, awesome. And this one, it is beautiful too. And I noticed some pests were on this eucalyptus, and I had to cut the top. Anyway, will grow for sure, but I will take control of it. That's it. Well, now let's see this eucalyptus, which is single door, and well, baby blue, and this one can resist in winter time, but I will let still in the pot indoor, and then I will see one of them I will left outdoor when they will be thick on the stem, and really beautiful this one. I have two of them, and this is the second one. Maybe it did grow much more from last update, and really love them. So we have to not just overwater them in winter time. I will take care. They germinated about 10 eucalyptus like this variety, but when I was in Italy, just they dried or I watered it too much. For sure, I watered it a lot then. And they are growing here next to the pineapples. As you can see here, I have around 3 pineapples together growing, and I wait for fruits, but we'll see when. It's beautiful, really beautiful, well, in one day for sure. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It was spontaneous. Thank you so much for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. And greetings from Moldova. I will catch you next time. Bye bye.